Hi, my name is Patrick Beauchemin and I'm a student in civil engineering, but my goal is to go to the university to study mechanical engineering. So what's important about mechanical engineering is that you must be able to use those kinds of equipment that is a milling machine, and we can do a lot of things with that. For example, we have here 4 pieces that have been made with that machine. So this is one, this is another one. We can do cutouts, with precision. The precision is really important because sometimes we must press bearings, so it's really important that it is really precise. Here we have a pin that is needed to do the zero. What I mean by zero is that machine, you have a zero for the x-axis and the y-axis. So let's do it for the x-axis. Like I said, make sure it's tight. We need to do the zero to a reference piece that it's bolted to the table. We need to put the pin flush to the face of that piece. So now we do a temporary zero. As we know, as a 312 pin, we know that the center of that pin is 156. So then let's put it at 156 in the x-axis. 156, there we go. So now that is the real zero for the x. Let's do it for the y now. In order to demonstrate how precise is that machine, an inch is divided in 1,000 parts. So here we have 100 of a tau, here we have 10 of a tau, and here we have a tau. And here we have a 10th of a tau. So to prove you that it's really precise, as we know, a hair, here with that number, a hair is only between 2 and 4 tau. So I'll demonstrate you the thickness of a hair. I got a sample here. Oh wait, my lace is not sharp. Now I have plenty. So I just take one and put it in a caliper. A caliper is a device that is highly precise too. So to prove you that my hair is my hair, I have thin hair. So here we go. A hair measures 2 tau. So now I'll show you how to drill a hole in the end of a piece. Like you see here, it's on the side, but this is used with the device here. But now we have a special setup to drill on the ends of some pieces. So that's why the end too is off-centered to make it up this setup. So if we want to put a hole in the center of that piece, this is a 1-inch piece. So we need to go 1/2 inch in the X and 1/2 inch in the Y. So we did our zero earlier. So we will now use a center drill that is used to make a precise starting hole. So because if we start using that drill, it's too thin, so when we apply pressure, it may bend. It may bend and it will not be as precise as this thick drill. So let's put it inside, make sure it's tight so it doesn't turn inside the barrel. Now we can start the machine. The speed will be approximately 1,000 rounds per minute, so that's good for that. So we must use juice too because we don't want the aluminum to get hot and then to stick to the drill. So just a little shot. And then we start gently the hole. We have a center. So now we have started a hole that is perfectly centered to the end of that piece. Now that we have pre-centered our hole, and we want to do thread tapping with that tap, we need a 201 drill. So let's install that drill. I'll make the hole. Here we have another kind of caliper, but this is for the Z axis, the up and down, so we can see our depth. So I do the 0 at the top of the piece. We go approximately 1 inch deep. There we go. After we change the speed for the tapping device, because we don't want to go too fast. We go approximately 200 rounds per minute. That is set. We put the tapping device here, the tapping drill here. Make sure it's straight. You gotta put some oil that I don't have here, but I'll take some. You gotta put some oil on the tip. So now we have a drilled and tapped piece that we can screw a quarter screw in, like that. Thank you for watching.